Hello students, in this lecture we will be discussing chapter 3 of class 10th metals and non-metals. Here we will be discussing only the physical properties of metals and non-metals. So let us first start with the metals. Metals are usually solid except mercury, which is present in the liquid state at room temperature. Metals are hard except lithium, potassium, sodium. These are soft metal and these can be cut with the help of a knife. Metals have metallic luster, that is shine. Metals are malleable. Malleable is the property by which metals can be beaten into thin sheets. Then metals are ductile. Ductility is the property by which metals can be drawn into wire. That's the reason why you have been seeing the wires are made up of only metals. The wires which are used for the electrical fittings in our houses, that is of copper, of aluminium, etc. are made up of metals only. Then metals have high melting point except gallium and cesium have very low melting point. In fact, the melting point is so low that if you keep them on your palm, that can melt with the body heat. Metals have high boiling point. They boil at a very high temperature. Metals are good conductors of heat. Best conductors are silver and copper. Poor conductors are lead and mercury. This reason that the metals are good conductors of heat, that is the reason why they are used for making cooking vessels. They are used for the different heating purposes. Then metals are good conductors of electricity as well. In fact, the best conductors are silver and copper. As I told you earlier, the electrical fittings uses the copper wire. Though silver is the best conductor of electricity, but still it is not used. Why? Because it is very expensive. The last one is metals are sonorous. That means they produce a metallic sound when they are beaten. Now let us come to the physical properties of non-metals. Non-metals may be solid, liquid or gases. That means in non-metals there is a variety of physical state in which they can appear, in which they can be present. For example, solid, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. Liquid non-metal is bromine. Gaseous non-metal, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. Non-metals are soft in nature except diamond, which you already know is the hardest natural substance. Non-metals don't have a metallic luster except iodine crystal, which have luster. Non-metals are not malleable unlike the metals. Non-metals are not ductile unlike the metals. Non-metals which are solid and liquid have low melting point. Non-metals which are solid and liquid have low boiling point also. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat. Non-metals are bad conductor of electricity also except graphite. It is a good conductor of electricity. You know the lead of a pencil is made up of graphite and it has a tendency to conduct electricity. It is because of the structure of the graphite in which the electrons are freely moving, and these are responsible for the conduction of electricity. And last is non-metals are not sonorous in nature. So that is it for this lecture. Thank you.